Hey everybody. Hopefully you can hear over the hum of my space heaters in my garage. So I am in need of some serious art therapy, and this is pretty wonky looking, but it'll work as a split cup, and I just feel like doing a split cup. I don't know why, but they've been kind of thrilling me lately, so we're just gonna do that. I think I want to do some like fire colors. So I'm gonna have some yellow and some orange and some red and white to keep them a little bit separate. And then over on the other side, I'm gonna do black with a little smidge of the colors in between it to just break it up a little bit. So let's get started with that. That should do it. And that should work. I think. We'll see. And I'm gonna do like as straight and steady of a pour as I can. Should be interesting. Check out my cups here. Very cool looking. Yeah, so I'm gonna just kind of pour it, and I'm gonna try not to wiggle in a circle. I don't wanna do a tree ring. I'm not looking for that today. I'm just looking for something to be interesting, so I'm gonna try to do this. Relatively straight. Boom. All right. So interesting so far. Where are you guys at? I have to look at my little thing. And please don't mind my light in the corner there. So this is really cool. I dig this, the yellow in the black. I didn't get as much orange and red in the black, but I think this will work out just fine. And I think what we'll do is we'll stretch this out a little slow so that we don't muddy this up too much. Because I definitely don't want to do that. So I think this will just get more awesome as it stretches. This canvas is a little bit on the wonky side too. So it's just a wonky kind of day, guys. That's just where I'm at in my life right now. Just a little wonky. And that's okay. This is looking cool so far. It always doesn't look like a whole lot until you start really stretching it out. This is starting to look real interesting. So I kind of want the red side to be stretched out a little bit more. So I'm gonna go and dump this off the corner up there. Oop, on the red side first. Not this corner. You're not listening. Painting. Okay. So that as I bring this down, to go to the other sides, it should stretch it out nicely. Oops. Should being the operative word. Doesn't always work out that way. slowly dump this back over towards this last corner. It's getting a little messy on this side, so I'm just gonna help it. There we go. Okay. So far so good. I have lack of coverage over here, but it's all just black anyway, so I'm just going to tap that side a bit, just a smidge. There we go. Just to make sure all our sides and corners and whatnot are covered, and they're not. I just noticed my red side is not covered. Boogers. So, let me see if we can turn this around so that I can see the corner that is missing. Paint. Oh, it's this whole side. Crap. So let's do this move. I don't want that black to expand too much, but I need a little bit more red over here. See, when you're not paying attention, you miss things. Well, we're gonna cheat a little bit. So, there we go. See that? You won't even know. Look at that. Okay, so this is pretty sweet. I'm kind of very happy about this. I like it better this way though. This is cool. All right, I'm gonna get my gloves off and I'll bring you guys down for a close-up. Definitely, because this is super, super cool looking. And hopefully get my lamp. Oh, and me. You can see me. Hi. Yeah, anyway, so this just looks super awesome. And I love, oh gosh, glare. I love this black with the wisps of color in there. That's the yellow, which kind of turns a sort of a green when you're dealing with, this lamp is driving me bonkers. When you're dealing with yellow and black together, it tends to make a little bit of a green. But like these are really cool. I like the lines that we get in the red. Awesome. Well, let me know what you think. If you've got an idea for a name for it for me, because I love naming my paintings, you know that. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.